Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with gear choices that determine technique. Choose a dedicated macro or reversed lens and fit a rigid tripod and macro rail. Once done, attach a rail and enable live view so you can focus precisely. Make sure to pick manual exposure, low ISO 100-200, stop down for depth of field, and use a diffuser on your LED or flash to control highlights. You'll need control now, so set mirror lockup, tether if possible, and prepare to micro-adjust position. You now focus and light with intent. Choose f/8 to f/22 balancing depth and diffraction, and set shutter speed to sync with your light source. Once done, switch to manual focus and move the camera on the rail in 0.5 1 mm increments while shooting a bracketed stack. Make sure to keep exposure constant across frames. You should place small reflectors and a rim light to reveal texture, and use diffusion to soften speculars. This combination gives consistent. You finish by importing and stacking the captured frames in your preferred software, aligning before merging, and then applying local blending and careful sharpening. Once done, inspect at 100% to identify soft edges or ghosting. Make sure to redo stacks if drift occurred. If vibration or blur appears, increase shutter speed, switch to flash, or add remote trigger. If depth gaps exist, decrease step size. You'll solve most issues by stabilizing the subject, keeping exposure constant, and reshooting focused increments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.